In this video introduction to nutrition, you will learn about calories, the macronutrients protein, fat, and carbohydrates, as well as how much of each you should be eating to meet your health and nutrition goals. I'm Rich Golden with GX2, and let's get cooking. So what are calories? A calorie is the measurement for a unit of energy. Usually, for health and fitness, calories refer to the amount of energy your body gets when you eat food, and the amount of energy your body uses when you not use food, but when you move throughout the day. If you eat less calories than your body uses each day, you will lose weight. If you eat more calories than your body needs each day, you will gain weight. And if you eat about as many calories as your body uses each day, you will maintain your weight. So how many calories does your body actually use each day? To guesstimate this, and let me just say this is an estimate only, first, calculate your BMR, or Basal Metabolic Rate. In English, that means how many calories your body uses at rest. To estimate this, take your body weight in pounds and multiply it by 10. Or if you're on that tricky metric system, take your body weight in kilograms and multiply it by 22. Now that's just the amount of calories your body uses at rest. But I hope you're not at rest 24/7. You should be getting out and doing something, right? So you need to take your BMR and multiply that by an activity multiplier, which could range from 1.2 if you live a pretty sedentary life, if you're just like an office worker and don't do much exercise, all the way up to 1.7 if you're a super duper uber Spartan ninja warrior crazy athlete. Now, not all calories are created equal. There's 3 macronutrients: protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Protein is mainly used to build and repair tissue and muscle in your body. Carbohydrates and fats are both mainly used as energy for your body, but they differ in the sense that carbohydrates are very useful to fuel your workouts, whereas fats are useful, or necessary, I should say, to support healthy, normal hormonal function, to support your body's hormones. I'm not sure if hormonal is a word right now, but it is because I just said it, so let's work with it. Anyways, 1 gram of carbohydrates and 1 gram of protein each have 4 calories each, whereas 1 gram of fat has 9 grams, or 9 calories, I should say. Now, fat has kind of been villainized, but fat doesn't actually make you fat. Eating more calories than your body uses each day is what makes you fat. So what balance of protein and carbohydrates and fats should you be eating? Well, first off, it depends on your goal. Do you want to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain weight? Now, to keep this simple, let's just look at maintenance calories. First, calculate your daily protein needs based on your body weight. This is done on body weight because protein is used to build and repair tissue and muscle. So it's better to estimate that based on body weight. To do so, take your body weight in pounds and multiply that by 1, or take your body weight in kilograms and multiply that by 2.2. So if you weigh 160 pounds, a good estimate from as much protein as you need would be about 160 grams of protein. Next, allocate 20 to 30% of your total caloric budget towards fat. And then take the rest of your caloric budget and allocate that towards carbohydrates. Now, there is wiggle room here. Nothing is set in stone. Some people like eating fats more than carbs. Some people like eating carbs more than fats. Personally, I like carbs more than fats, but I know I need to eat fats, or healthy fats, in order to support my body's hormones. With that being said, that basically sums up this introduction to nutrition. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And just so you know I'm not making this up, you can find further learning and find my resources in the links below this video. Thanks for watching, and keep on cooking.